Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. How are you all? Today I am showing you how to make a slipper for a baby girl. So let's start. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am using white color of yarn. Chain 14, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I chain 14, skip 1, 2, 3. In the fourth one make 2 double crochet and 1 double crochet in the rest except last one. Now I'm here to the last one. Make 5 double crochet into the last chain. 1, 2, 3. Make double crochet into the all stitches except the last one. Now this is my last chain. Do 2 double crochet in it and make a slip stitch in the third. 1, 2, 1, 2, and this one is the third. Make a slip stitch. This is my first row. Now chain 1. In the same stitch make single crochet. Again in the same stitch single crochet. Now in the next make 2 single crochet. And in the 4 stitches make single crochet. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now in next 2 make half double crochet. Next 2 half double crochet, and in the next 4 double crochet. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now make 2 times double crochet in each stitch in 5 stitches. Now I did my 2 double crochet in one stitch for 5 times, yani in 5 stitches. Now make 4 double crochet in 4 stitches and do the same pattern which I did before this side. 4 double crochet, 2 half double crochet, 4 single crochet, and last 2 make 2 single crochet. In last 2 stitches make 2 single crochet and make a slip stitch. Now chain 2 and in the same stitch make double crochet. Once again in the next make 2 double crochet. In the next make 2 double crochet, and now make double crochet for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 stitches. In 11 stitches make double crochet. Now make 2 double crochet in 8 stitches. 2 double crochet in 8 stitches. This one is my third, so do it for 8 stitches. Do double crochet in all stitches except last 3. Now my last 3 stitches, make 2 double crochet in 3 stitches, 2 double crochet, and this one is my last stitch, and make a slip stitch in third one. Now this is my sole is ready. So this is my sole, and I put a stitch marker in the different place. First of all, from the heel side, I count from the middle. This one is the middle, and I count 1, 2, 3, 4th, and put my stitch mark in the 4th one. And from this side, I did as before, 1, 2, 3, 4. So now skip from 4th one, 1, 2, 3, 4 again, and put a stitch marker. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. In 11th, put a stitch marker. Then from this side, count 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And put a stitch marker as well in this side. And from this side, count 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and put a stitch marker here. Now, first of all, I will start from the heel side. So I will take my yarn. I am using 2.5 millimeter. So remove one stitch marker and start my work from this side. In the back loop, make a single crochet. In the same, make single crochet. Again, in the back loop, make single crochet, and in single crochet to this side. Do single crochet to reach this stitch marker. Now I am here to the stitch marker, so I will remove it and chain 1 and turn my work. In the same, make single crochet, again single crochet, again single crochet, and to the end. Make 5 single crochet, 5 single crochet in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 stitches, and we will make 5 row. Now I completed my 5th row, so I will cut the yarn and make a slip stitch. Now I will start from this side. Remove your stitch marker, insert hook in the back loop, and chain 1, and in the same, make single crochet. Now make single crochet into the back loop till to the other stitch marker, this one. Do it. Single crochet. Now here I am to the last stitch. In the back loop, make single crochet, remove stitch marker. Now again chain 1, turn, and in the same stitch make single crochet and do it till to the end. Make 5 rows of single crochet in all these stitches till here. Now I finished my 5th row of single crochet. Now I will cut the yarn and make a slip stitch and make it tight here. Okay, now I will start from this side, back loop of the stitch. This one is the back loop, this one. Now I will take my yarn and make a chain 1 and in the same make single crochet. Now make in the back loop single crochet till to the other stitch marker next to the stitch marker. Now here I am to the stitch marker. Now remove it, chain 1, turn your work in the same space, make single crochet and again make single crochet to the end and make 5 rows of this side as well. Now I finished my 5 rows here too, but I will not cut the yarn and make 2 chain and join it to the next my back heel side and chain 1 and then chain 1 to the other end. Now when I reach there, I will make 2 chain again and make a single crochet with the other end of the shoe. It will be like this. Now make single crochet to the end. When I reached here to the other side, I will make single crochet to down like this, and now with the back loop I will make single crochet and move to the other end here. Now I am here to the other side. Now make single crochet to this side as I did before, to the other side, make single crochet. Now make a slip stitch here, cut the yarn and make it tight. Now my shoe is complete. See, it will look like this. I will join both of these sides together, but I will make a loop for a button to hold this side. I chain 8 and then join to this side, and I will put a button here and will hold this side. So it will look like this. Put a button here and the shoe will be completed. I hope you will like it. Make it for your loved ones. I will see you in another video, inshallah. Till to the another video. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.